Hello, my name is Leonardo Martin, and this is the user guide for the administrator user for BOLO version 4.0. An administrator can do all that a supervisor can do with the addition of being able to manage users within their own agency. To create a user, click the admin button to the top on the navigation bar. On the admin dashboard, click the user management tab to the left. This will display a list of users that exist within the administrator's agency. To add a new user, click the Add New User button. Fill in all of the fields. Choose a role. As an administrator user, you can only choose up to an administrator. And as you can see, there is no choice for an agency because an administrator user can only create a user within their own agency. Once you're done, click Submit. This will create a new user within the database and show the new user in the list. From the user list, an administrator can also view the details of each user. Click the cog button next to the user you wish to view. This will display the user's details. From this view, the administrator has the option to edit a user's details, reset their password, or delete the user entirely. To edit the user, click Edit Account Details. This will bring up a form similar to the Create User form. Modify the fields displayed and submit when satisfied. This will update the user. To reset a user's password, click the Reset Password button. Enter a new password and confirm the password below, and click Submit when finished. Assuming that the password is valid, this will change the password for the user selected. Finally, to delete a user, click on the red Delete User button. Remember, once you click this, the user is gone forever, so be sure that this is the user you want to delete. As you can see, the user has now been successfully deleted. Administrator users can also sort the user list by different criteria. On the top right, click the Sort button. This will display a drop-down of options. Choose the best one that fits your needs. For this example, I will choose to sort by name. As you can see, the users have now been sorted by their first and last name. Administrator users also have the ability to edit any BOLO that was created within their own agency. Here we can see two BOLOs, one that was created by the agency of FIU, and another one that was created by the agency of Pinecrest. If we try to edit a BOLO, we can edit the one created by Pinecrest, but we cannot edit the one created by FIU. As you can see, we can edit this one, but we cannot edit the FIU one. This applies the same for the Update button. And for the Archive button. Administrators can archive any BOLO within their own agency, by clicking the Archive button on a thumbnail. They can view the archived BOLOs by clicking the BOLO menu at the top and clicking Archived BOLOs. This will show all BOLOs that have been archived. From here, an administrator can either restore the BOLO back to where it was or delete it. Remember to be careful when deleting, as this completely deletes the BOLO from the database. Here we will restore it. As you can see, it no longer shows up in the Archive BOLO section, and when we click Home, the BOLO is back here. This concludes the tutorial for administrator users. Any other features that are accessible to administrators are covered in the supervisor and officer videos, so please refer to those. Thank you.